Hello, I'm Luwari, it's your boy Negi and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another music track. This time is Manipuri Rap Cypher 2017. And those who are watching me for the first time, like करो channel को, subscribe to my channel and मचाते हैं फिर साथ में. So चलते हैं सीधा, बातें नहीं करके सीधा मचाते हैं. ये Rap Cypher है 2017. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, म्यूजिक जो ये बज रहा है भाई, एक नंबर.
First I gotta thank God for parking me to this beautiful place where sports of nature, sports and cultures from this 33 got place. I don't think so good out here except for half with the mindset. All we have to do is to scoff love and pack away the hatred. And if you don't wanna make a chance for something good, come on, show me I left my body dead. Hey, you know I gotta spit some raw shit. So many conflicts, riots, and all these dirty deeds that you always been fucking shit down and take it. But now you gotta strive for the truth, even if you got to bleed to hit your innocent kids, huh? Never, don't let them keep your mouths muzzled. Cause what we all want is the best for our people. And just think about your mama and your dearest when you're trying to find the veins to purge the syringe needle. Cause
yes, जब भी आप ड्रग्स करो अपने मम्मी अपने पेरेंट्स के बारे में सोचो यार. Do not do drugs, okay? Drugs मत करो भाई लोग. रिप्रेजेंट करो अपने कल्चर को, अपने जो भी है अपने सबको आगे लेके चलो. But say no to drugs.
They ain't gonna answer all these riddles. Mamas be crying cause all these bullets be killing. Politicians be corrupting, all these bullets be hiding. But I'ma keep on doing what you think before something good. I'll take it as a blessing even if you gotta shoot. But I'ma bless you back cause I'll be doing everything for this flag.
Hey yo, aka
अपना कल्चर, अपना फ्लैग, एंड आई एम डूइंग फॉर हिप हॉप. जो उसका फ्लो था यार काफ़ी अच्छा था, काफ़ी ही वाज लाइक गोइंग सो स्मूथ. सो मज़ा आ गया. अभी आई डोंट नो व्हाट हिज नेम इज. अभी जो नेक्स्ट में आ रखे हैं
Big Poe from the land of the drug. And I'm just pipping into this generation. I'm in my generation. Everybody's frustrated by their fucking reputation. But I'm just trying to lay my hip-hop foundation. Yeah, I'm just trying to build my own grip, trying to elevate my own dreams, trying to write a new whip, staying with my own patience. But homie, I guess I got pebbles in my soul. It's slowing me down, I can't move. But I can't surprise you, dog. Cause we all grew up in this place with a cloud of people ready to head and debate. Yeah, it's my fuck the fate. But I still can't blame the state, cause we just got driven by a new trend where corruption is the new fashion. And if you aren't in it, we're about to be out there to damn. Man, I think I'm seeing too much. Been in this atmosphere for decades, and I dream too much. Not to mention, people got killed, families got split, homes got ripped, and all our hope started to drift away from my red.
Bullshit,
tell
man.
me where's the love, where's the future? The vision's getting darker, and our fate is about to be slowed. Man, it's like a plague is coming, and if you still can't feel it, go check the news and the newspapers headline.
भाई बंदे ने लाइक बिग पाव भाई ने फाड़ दिया भाई जो वर्स जैसे जो उसकी फ्लो थी. एंड जब मीनिंग काफ़ी फाड़ था यार. अब ये लग रहा है कि अब दिस गाय ही विल रैप इन मणिपुरी लैंग्वेज में. बट एक नंबर था उसका.
Chorok PMC ne pam jab ne headman bana wara su hot na du na pantung amag chali yek na bana thali nok na bashyami lai dik haite hai du na ai bu moi na tatana nok na riba nok na jo kalakjo tak pi rak pa sem bi rak pa oja mar kau ba lai te bro bro debit amar kau de ai bu pok pi re imana kang lai pak lam dam si da u hal khang hal achum ba aran ba kaya lam dam si gitari uri ta hai dra ba u hai dra ba wari kaya kap lam le hat lam le tau bi ram le rap lan ja da ba kaya sulan na lam jing 강자답은 마학도 셀 나 시즌 내 셀기 랑다 투드로 미누스가이 노 강다는 모이네 힝리 no taro Macham Larry Semtok never hot na si Semtok si kan si Lamdam si the pai hand si Amata oi bagi pira Machuta red ki fira Ay koi pum na makini Cannibal ay te cannibal tam Chana bagi hing ba nate Hing na bagi chari ba chak tu na Holy ba sorni Holy ba sor dugi Wakal mo na kalaga Lamdam na ramdam I ramdam sa tala se
Nah bro, they call me Vladimir, I'm in the midst of this game with my hands on fire like the Iron Fist. Could have been famous but unfortunately met a priest. Said he had been with my dad best.
Malam
Father, I'm the
Messi.
best. People, I ain't considered to represent any money, puri fisherman or NB ran. I come up like a Z to purify some dirty brands. This my time, see me around, but boy, don't call me Wu-Tang Clan. To this from me, I'm the richest fan, but a broke artist and got a casket, but a basket of classics that keeps me breathing and gotta get something. Who am I to represent his take?
Bhai, ये बंदा, this guy is totally different from other threes, man. इसका flow, when it's like you can see that how he's flowing.
I come up like a Z to purify some dirty brands. This my time, see me around, but boy, don't call me Wu-Tang Clan. To this from me, I'm the richest fan, but a broke artist and got a casket, but a basket of classics that keeps me breathing and gotta get something. Who am I to represent his take? Well, criticism is the only food on the plate. Well, I admit to intervene the thoughts that you put in, but now that I'm on the screen, what's in store? More than hating, it ain't fair, but I gotta appreciate your motherfucking mind is programmed to hate. Well, let me make it a bit faster like Shady, cause then I got plenty of time to do explaining. Cause I have other things in my head running, but I'm about to start my baby fucking thing and something. But teaching you was to debate to people, it ain't nothing. The reason of this cipher is a part of our LP season. The peasants only confessing the police be flexing. Be patient and don't just blame the habits PD trigger. The fuck the police, fuck your mentality, that ain't thinking bigger. Hey yo, wait. I got something for the rappers out there. Fasten your seatbelts, the realest rappers out here. And if you ain't got one, then watch me and suffer like hell. I spit rhymes every day, my saliva in air, you inhale. So when you see a Manipur, you got to look up. I can kill for a Manipur and get locked up. So my Tars, Kasis, Nagas, Bekars, blah. Look up to Manipuri.
Yeah, she all need to grab some.
You see, the realest rappers.
I want to see.
And don't just let me have this PD trigger. The fuck the police, fuck your mentality, that ain't thinking bigger. Hey yo, wait. I got something for the rappers out there. Fasten your seatbelts, the realest rappers out here. And if you ain't got one, then watch me and suffer like hell. I spit rhymes every day, my saliva in air, you inhale. So when you see a Manipur, you got to look up. I can kill for a Manipur and get locked up. So my Tars, Kasis, Nagas, Bekars, blah. Look up to Manipuri.
Yeah. She all need to grab something to survive. Cause I'm sticking to this hip hop shit and grind with my novice whom I trust. Yeah, we gon' Mars and burst out of those barriers. And even if we happen to collapse, we gon' keep the game running. Just know that we're coming.
Oh, what up?
Whoa, what up?
It is what it is. Do your own thing. Nah, but
oh. Hey, Manipur. Hey, both ha. Hey. So bro, काफी अच्छा था यार, like the rap cipher. 1 2 3 4 4 लोग थे इसमें. So they are saying that they represent their land. मणिपुर को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं और दे आर रेडी टू डाई फॉर देयर लैंड एज वेल. सो मरने के लिए रेडी हैं बिकॉज अपने रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. सो अपने कल्चर को लेकर आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. सो काफ़ी अच्छी बात है अपने कल्चर को आगे बढ़ाना. और मज़ा आ गया भाई. दे वर टॉकिंग रियल शिट, सम सच्ची बातें बता रहे थे अपने रैप के थ्रू. सो आई रियली एंजॉयड द देयर फ्लो. काफ़ी अच्छा था, मज़ा आ गया. एंड इफ़ यू लाइक माई रिएक्शन यू कैन सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. ठीक है, और बचाते हैं फिर आगे देखते हैं क्या आता है. पूरा मणिपुर एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. तब तक पीस आउट, स्टे सेफ.